This is not just a pickup truck. It's a shark on wheels. Imagine a vehicle so bold, so powerful, that even the wildest terrains feel smooth under its tires. Meet the BYD Shark 6, the electric beast that's redefining adventure. This isn't your regular pickup. BYD's Shark 6 brings the aggression of a predator and the intelligence of future tech. From its sharp LED headlights to that dominating front grille, the Shark 6 demands respect before it even starts moving. And that jet black exterior, it's not just a color, it's a statement. Under the hood, you'll find a hybrid powertrain that combines the power of a 1.5L turbo engine with an electric motor, giving you smooth torque and raw strength. With a combined output of over 430 horsepower, it tears through city streets and rocky trails alike. Oh, and did we mention it goes 0 to 100 in just 5.7 seconds? Yes, a pickup doing sports car numbers. Step inside. The cabin feels more like a luxury SUV than a rugged pickup. Panoramic digital dashboard, ambient lighting, a 15.6-inch rotating touchscreen, and voice command AI that actually listens. Seats, premium leather, comfort, unmatched. And the rear seats, they fold, stretch, and adapt whether you're camping or just chilling. With intelligent AWD, adaptive suspension, and terrain response modes, the Shark 6 doesn't ask, "Can we go there?" It says, "We are already there." Its electric range gives you up to 100 kilometers pure EV driving. And when you need extra boost, the hybrid kicks in flawlessly. The BYD Shark 6 isn't just a vehicle. It's a mindset, a revolution on 4 wheels. So the question is, are you ready to ride the wave or be swallowed by the shark? White right pointing backhand index. Subscribe now for full reviews, engine tests,